right, dinner's wrapping up, and it's time to think drinks. If you love beer, you'll want the Huski 2.0 priced at $33. This baby keeps your drink ice cold, works as a glass, and fits cans and bottles. No slipping out of your hands. Plus, there's a handy bottle opener at the bottom. Cheers to that. Check out this credit card-sized multi-tool that'll blow your mind. The Toolcard Pro packs 40 different functions like wrenches, wire cutters, and a bottle opener. Plus, it has a detachable clip for your cash and cards. Made from sturdy stainless steel, it's only $33. Super handy. Shaving can get pretty messy, right? Rinsing your razor under the tap isn't the best way to go. It's all splashes and wasted water. Enter the Razor Rinser. It's a cool gadget that uses just 118 milliliters of water to make your blades all clean and shiny. Works with any cartridge razor, and you can snag it on Kickstarter starting at just $26. If you're into hunting, the Scent Blender is a game changer for you. It lets you whip up a spray that masks odors using materials from your surroundings. Think acorns or creek water. In just a minute, you'll have 350 milliliters of scent disguise ready to go, and it's available for $89. For long-range shooting fans, the Flashbang is your friend. It lights up with 10 bright LEDs when you hit your target, perfect for observing it even in bright sunlight. Powered by 3 AA batteries, it's only $30. Tightener mixes fun with function. It's a slide rule that also serves as a fidget toy with 2 spinning rings that click as you roll them. Grab this quirky gadget for $53. The Corey Tek Belt is all about style and function, made from premium materials like titanium and full-grain leather. With 40 size options, it adjusts easily with every step, starting at $59. It raised $160,000 on Kickstarter. BARBOSSA is a cool combo of a comb and flat iron for your beard. It heats up as you groom, letting you set the temp from 170 to 210 degrees Celsius for just $49 on Indiegogo. Pack and organize your clothes like a pro with BoxLegend. This folding tool works for shirts, jeans, and towels, and features 6 panels made of polypropylene. It's available for just $19. This handcuff holster is made for Smith & Wesson handcuffs and comes with 2 options for mounts. Priced at $34, it's a solid choice. Get ready to have your cooking game leveled up. TempSpike is a cooking thermometer that syncs with your smartphone, and it can reach out to a whopping 500 feet away. Perfect for cooking all kinds of meats and even grilling or smoking. The kit comes with 2 probes, one for up to 100 and the other for up to 300 degrees Celsius. It sends all temp data to your phone via Bluetooth 5.2, worth diving into for $80. Next up in the beer department, meet Fizzics. This cool dispenser is all about bringing the bar vibe to your get-togethers. It pours beer from cans and bottles with style, giving you a perfect pour every time. It can handle containers up to 750 milliliters and runs on 2 AA batteries or USB. Get it for $98 and impress your friends. Picture this. You're driving when suddenly, flat tire. No sweat with the AstroAI compressor. It pumps up to 11 atmospheres of pressure and can run for about 40 minutes. Enough time to inflate all your tires. You can plug it into your car's cigarette lighter or battery, and it's a steal at $56. Keep your mustache foam free with the Whisker Dam. Made from copper, this nifty accessory is just $27. Wowstick is like the tiny drill you didn't know you needed. It charges via USB-C and is perfect for those intricate tasks on stuff like cardboard and plastic. With speeds up to 400 RPM and 8 different drill bits, it can handle a bunch of different jobs. Oh, and it only takes 40 minutes to charge for about 2 hours of use. priced at $52. It's a must-have. Gerber's HemoPlier combines fishing pliers with a hemostat, making it perfect for managing baits and hooks. It even comes with a sharpening file. Grab it for $54, and it's super lightweight at just 120 grams. No hands needed. The Seatswing lets you lift and lower the toilet seat without touching it. It works with a simple push-to-open mechanism and is made from durable Duraplast, priced at $45. The MAGMUG is a clever gym bag with magnetic capabilities that can hold up to 4 kg. It's got sections for your phone and a handy carabiner for your keys. Get yours for $40. If you love glacier hiking, check out CRAMPONS. The AirTech Lite model weighs just 592 grams, while the G12 Pneumatic Evo has a cool system to clear snow with each step. They're priced at $170 and $200 respectively. If you're a fish fan, the Deeper Fish Finder Start is just the ticket for shore fishing. It can throw out and scan up to 50 meters deep, helping you see what's going on below the surface, like the size of the fish down there. Weighing just 65 grams and lasting 6 hours on a charge, you can take it home for $144. For a no-fuss tie experience, the ModernTie is your buddy. It simply attaches to your shirt's top button with a magnetic strip. Made of silk, it's perfect for both work and casual hangs, and it costs $41. Caldwell's Matrix Shooting Rest is designed for the serious shooter. Its U.S.-shaped center holds long magazines and features spring-loaded height adjustments from 0 to 76 millimeters. Plus, it has removable storage. You can take this practical tool home for $55. Grill masters, meet the GRILLKILT. This modular apron comes with 5 D-rings and 10 pockets, making grilling a breeze. The basic model looks like a kilt and is priced at $80. Need to sharpen your knives? Check out the VIDOME Knife Sharpener. It's a fancy electric tool with 3 diamond stages, perfect for ceramic knives. With a 15-degree angle for precision, you can take one home for $90. The ZERA M is your pocket-sized electric razor that fits right in your hand like an AirPods case. It gives you a close shave with an 8,000 RPM motor and includes a nose hair trimmer. Get it on Kickstarter for starting at $69. The Verpiason electric hand muff is a total win for hunting and camping. It's waterproof, comfy, and has 3 temperature settings. You'll need an external power source, and it's priced at $30. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.